Welcome to the Write a Prize Internship Program, Lecture Series 3 on Python. In the previous two videos, we have discussed the basic concept of Python and basic coding on Python. Now, in this topic, I am going to discuss about Python list. So what is list in Python? We will understand the concept of list in Python one by one. Firstly, how to create list in Python. As we know, in Python programming, a list is created by placing all the item, that is element, inside a square bracket, and these are separated by comma. It can have any number of items and they may be different type, such as integer, float, string, etc. Suppose I am giving here example, taking here empty list. My list is equal to empty list. List of integer, my list is equal to element 1, 2 and 3, and list with mixed data type. List with mixed data type can be written as 1 hello 3.4. Here 1 is integer type, other is string type, and next is float type. Also, a list can even have another list as an item. This is called a nested list. Means the list inside the list is called the nested list. Here example, nested list. My list is equal to mouse, then another list 8, 4, 6, then another list 8. Now, how to access the element from the list? So there are various ways in which we can access the element of the list, but we will discuss here two ways to access the element. So first way is list index. We can use list index operator to access an item in a list. For example, if we have 5 elements, then index start from 0 to 4. And then trying to access an element outer than this range will raise an index error. The index must be an integer. We can use float or other type. This will result into type error. Nested lists are accessed using the nested indexing. For example, here I am taking the list my list P, R, O, B and E. Then print my list at 0 index, it will result the output P. Similarly, at 2 index, it will result the output O. Similarly, at 4 index, it will print out the result E. Now, if we print my list 4.0, so this is the float type and only integer can be used for indexing. So it will print out the error. For accessing the nested list, suppose we have created n list is equal to first list happy, then another nested list 2012. Then nested list indexing can be done as, suppose we want to access the first item of the first list, then we write n list 0, 1, then output will be A. First list and first item 0, 1, A. Then output, then to print n list 1, 3 means second list at 3rd position, means 0, 1, 2, 3. It will result the output 5. Second method is native indexing. Python allows native indexing for its sequence. The index of -1 refer to the last item, -2 refer to the second last item, and so on. My list, for example, my list here I have given P, R, O, B and E. Then suppose if we want to print my list -1, then the last element will be given as output, that is E. Print my list -5, then -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. The output will be P. Now we will discuss more concept on the list in my next lecture series. So know more about the Python list. Keep watching my lecture series. Till now, thanks for watching, and I will give you the best lecture series. Keep watching my videos. Thank you.